afternoon and welcome to MuscleCar Garage, located at 7 Industrial Parkway in Livingston, New Jersey. Today we're featuring this beautiful 1968 Plymouth Roadrunner. If you look at it, it's a beautiful Hemi orange. If you look down the side, Joe, if you show them down the side here, you can see it's arrow straight. The paint on it is unbelievable. If you come on over here, you look down in here, it's got beautiful custom wheels with front disc brakes. If you come around to the side here, you can see it's got a pistol grip. It's got a pistol grip 4-speed. It's got an upgraded stereo system. The dashboard is nice and straight, no cracks. This is a really clean interior. If you walk around the back here, you can see the paint is still really beautiful. Joe, if you come around the back, you can see it's got beautiful graphics. Wile E. Coyote with the Roadrunner. The bumpers are almost perfect. They're in beautiful condition. If you come along the side here as well, you can see the paint on the side here. This is nice and arrow straight. If you come on walking around, no dents, no dings. The glass is all beautiful on this car. And if you bring it right here, you can see that this car is a 440 V8 4-speed car. Open up the hood. You can see the engine bay is nice and clean. It still has the original fender tag. It's got beautiful headers on there. This is a beautiful car. It is being offered to you by MuscleCar Garage. Call us at 973-758-8944. Be safe and have a good day.